Hi, this is Cody from IT, and I have some really exciting news for you. This spring, for the first time ever, we are proud to present the very first installment of the Screen Reader curriculum. With both student and teacher editions, this multimedia interactive curriculum will change the way that you teach students to use screen readers like NVDA, JAWS, and Chromevox. In the student edition of the Screen Reader curriculum, your students will have access to instructional videos, tests, quizzes, practice problems, everything they need to learn a screen reader on the internet using our tried and tested 3-method process. But the power of this curriculum comes when you have access to the instructor edition. In the instructor edition of the Screen Reader curriculum, you'll have access to the same instructional videos, the same quizzes and practice problems as your student, but you'll also receive 20 additional videos teaching you how to create a really effective screen reader lesson, in addition to getting data sheets, lesson plans, and fun activities that you can do with your learner. And when you connect your account to your students, you'll receive an email with all of your students' test and quiz scores as they complete the course. To start changing the way that you teach screen readers like NVDA, JAWS, and Chromevox, click the link in the description and then click All Courses. We cannot wait to see how far you and your student can go with a screen reader on the internet. This is absolutely one of the most important skills you can teach your student. And with all of the tools that this curriculum offers, it will be a piece of cake. Welcome to the new way to teach screen readers on the internet, and welcome to the IT family.